Good morning student, welcome back to today's session. I hope you all learned yesterday homework, and today class I am going to explain about the second term letter, fill in the blanks. The first one, there are dash languages are recognized by the constitutions of India. So in our Indian countries we are speaking so many languages, isn't it? So how many languages in our government recognized? Our government gave approval to the citizens. Totally 22 languages recognized by the constitutions of India. There THERERE, there are ARER, 22 languages, LANGUAGES languages recognized, RECOGNISED recognized, BY by the constitutions, CONSTITUTION constitutions of India. So how many languages the government recognized in our country? Total 22 languages. And the second one, men in south we are dash. So in our countries we are wearing so many dresses. So in the men's especially, so what dress they are wearing? So men's in south they are wearing lungi. So lungi spelling is LUNGI, lungi. Men, MEN, men. In south, SOUTH, south. South means so in our Tamil Nadu, so we are located the south of southern sides of India. So in our surroundings, so the men's are wearing so this type of dresses. So what do you know what is it? So lungi, LUNGI. And third one, dash and dash are called our national festivals. So the festivals means a harvest festivals, and another festival is called the national festivals. So what are the national festivals we are celebrating in our countries? The first one is called Independence Day. The independence spelling is INN. Depends, DEPEN, independence, DENCE, Independence Day. And the second one, Republic Day, REPUBLIC, Republic Day. Say these two are called our national festivals. So at the time we are giving respect to our soldiers and national leaders and national flag also. So these festivals are called the national festival, and the national spelling is NATIONAL, national festivals, FESTIVALS, national festivals. So again I am saying, so what are the two festivals are called national festivals? One is called Independence Day, the another one is called Republic Day, and the fourth one, so dash and dash are two of the oldest languages of the world. So world level, what are the two languages are called oldest languages? So one is called Sanskrit, SANSKRIT, Sanskrit. The another one is called Tamil, TAMIL. So these two languages are called oldest languages of the world. Oldest, OLDEST, oldest languages, LANGUAGES, languages of the world. The Sanskrit and Tamil, these two languages are called the oldest languages in the world level. And the last one, Gujarat is known for dash. So many dishes and so many food items we are eating nowadays, and each state having different types of food, and the Gujarat state is especially known for dokla, DHOKLA, dokla. So Gujarat, GUJARAT, Gujarat is known for dash dokla, DHOKLA, dokla. And dear students, so learn this 5 fill-ups and write 2 times in your homework note. Thank you.